Okay, so this is a mess on my floor. But I'm trying to teach my bird more of what's natural to them. So in the middle, boil water. He's afraid of it. And he's hiding under the chair right now. There he is. But what is kind of funny to me is that he will come out. He'll come out. He touches my foot and makes sure that it's okay. Every few minutes, he's gonna come out. So now I'm just gonna stop talking and he's just gonna do it. Here it comes. And the birds are very skittish. They get scared a lot. But they trust certain people. This is why I like birds. It's just what they do. It's who they are, who they trust. You know, you walk funny, and your feet, they look like spiders to me. That's good, huh? Well, Guido, if I had to eat seeds every day, I'd be a little cranky too. But that's what you like. He always comes by me. It's like he checks in to make sure everything's okay. And then he goes back. Gonna check in? Yeah, I'll come check in. He'll like touch my toes. That's what he does. And then it's okay. Go eat. Guido, it's okay. Go eat. Yeah, I know. I'm good. Now you go eat and drink. Guido. Guido. What are you doing? And for those of you who don't know about the cockatiels, oh my god, he's got a vocabulary about 100 words, but he don't talk when he's out of his cage. He gets quiet because he gets scared.